So when you've registered as a user, the next thing you should do now is to come to your dashboard here and click on login. So this is where you log in to as a user. You come here and you type in your email address and you type in your password. So I'm going to click on login now. I'm going to log in. So it's going to load up and I'll be taken to my dashboard. So this is what my dashboard looks like. This is what my dashboard looks like on my mobile phone. So what I have to do now is to come to this place. If I click here, I can check on my tax, click on my tax, and I'll see a list of tasks I have to complete. So if I open this, I'll start this task. So let me do this. So I'll start this task. And here's the task I was asked to do. Now they are asking me to follow this person on Twitter. So if I to follow this person on Twitter, what I have to do now is to log in with my email address. So I have logged into my email address now, and I've performed this task. So if I perform this task, you're going to see a good here. So now tweet a message. So to tweet a message, I have to um type a message here and I'll put in my URL my of the tweet so that it confirms that I actually did it. Then I'll click on I tweeted and I will submit. So when you're done with performing the task, you now go back to your dashboard. It redirects you to your dashboard and you come back to this place. So now let me show you something else. I've showed you this is how you can perform tasks on the site and start earning. So as you're performing tasks, you see that your admin thing, which is this, let me show you, which is this, begins to increase. So what is any task you perform, that place increases. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you now is how you can um get your referral link. So to get your referral link, you come to this 3 point here. You come to this 3 point here, and you come to where it's called your profile. So you click on your profile. So if you click on your profile, you're going to come here and you're going to see your referral link. Now this is your referral link that you can use to share to people. So if you use this referral link to share to people, it records for you that they actually came from you. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you now how to do is how to withdraw your money. So what you need to do to withdraw your money is to come here and go back to your earnings and go to your earnings. So on your earnings, what you do is that you come first of all and you swap your coin. Now withdrawals can be made every Friday by 12 noon to 6 p.m. So within that time frame, if you have any money in your balance, you swap it and they convert to dollars. So you swap it and convert to dollars. So when you convert to dollars, you can now withdraw and check your amount. So this is a description of some withdrawal, my earning history. So on this day I earned 10 ADMs. On this day I earned 10 on 19th on May. So you can see your earning history here and know if you're actually being paid. So you can check the leaderboard here. So you can see the leaderboard. These are the people who are leading. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the leaderboards. So that's it. So the next thing, so if you have any issues, what you're going to do is to come to this place, this report, and report your issues to the team, and we're going to be giving you a quick response as fast as we can. So that is a navigation of the site. So you can actually send us your messages through this point, and we'll give you replies. So that's it. The next thing you need to know is this your rank. So let me show you what your rank is. So this is your rank. So your rank increases you perform more tasks. As you perform more tasks on admitting, your rank increases. So there are different types of ranks. There's JJC Comrade, there is senior comrade, there is we're general, and there are so many other types of rankings that you can uh, uh, gain. So the thing about rankings is that as your rank increases, the amount you earn on the site increase, your ability to earn on the site increases. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you on Adminting. So what I would love you to do now is to go to your phone and sign up on Adminting and start using the site. So remember, our referral drive starts on the 8th. So refer as much people as you can to the site, and we'll see you later. Thank you.